Hey guys, so quick short here tonight. I just wanted to show you something here. Customer brought me in a machine that is just turning on and not showing any display and kind of randomly turning back off here just after a few seconds and then kind of repeating the process over and over again. Hopefully it does it here. Give it a quick second. I'm sure it will. There you go. It's turning itself off. So the first thing I usually check when it comes to these things is I'm going to go ahead and push the power on this to turn it off, first and foremost. But generally, if RAM is not seated properly, which this is, it's definitely seated in there, I typically check that first. So what I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to install one of my own RAM modules and put it to the test. I'm going to stick it in slot 2 here. Make sure it's seated firmly. And we're just going to push that till it clicks, and then push up top till it clicks. And we'll reboot. This is always kind of my first check whenever a computer's doing weird stuff. But let's pan out here. We'll see if we get anything on the screen up top. So it's not turning off. That's a good thing. And there we have the ASRock logo coming up. And looks like we're going to get a Windows boot, potentially. There we go, ASRock logo. And there's Windows. So in this situation, it was just simply a bad stick of memory that the customer had. So it's this XPG Gamix Dio. I don't even know what that is. Oh, D10. But anyway, that's all that was. Super easy. Piece of cake.